If the polls are right, we're about to be blessed with Kevin Rudd as Prime Minister. While he talks cosily of being with his family on the porch in Brizzy with his wife, his kids, the dog and the cat, the anti-father, anti-nuclear family, so-called progressive liberal ideologues in his party are entrenched in key social positions. They, no doubt, will do enormous harm pretending or thinking that they are pursuing social justice. It's been one of the most miserable and dismal aspects of public culture in this country that the liberal elite opinion has dismissed fathers as unnecessary and the nuclear family as somehow destructive for women and harmful to children. While Howard's duplicitous double-crossing of fathers has been shameful to behold, don't think for 1 minute Rudd will be any better. The Howard government's perfidy over family law and child support, and I'm sorry, but a few $1 million dished out to a few groups really doesn't stand anything against the hundreds of millions, indeed the billions of dollars that are being put on the other side of the ledger. The Howard government's perfidy over family law and child support has been enormously sad to watch play out, but separated dads are naive if they think Rudd will be any better in any way whatsoever. We can see the results of these trendy so-called progressive theories that are so beloved by all the liberal and elite opinion in this country and the people who are responsible for what has happened to us and to many of us here in the crowded, chaotic scenes in the suburban courts of this nation. But astonishingly few public intellectuals have stepped outside the pack and drawn the dots. Historian John Hurst's excellent monograph, Kangaroo Court, was one of the very few exceptions. While their traditional working class supporters have been ravaged by the impacts of the family court and the child support agency, there has not been one whisper of concern or discontent with the outrageous conduct of these institutions from the Labor Party itself. We saw the Shadow Attorney General here yesterday, and of course he was completely upfront, or it took a while to get him to be upfront, in acknowledging that he supports the removal of children from the arbitrary removal of children from one parent's life or the other. Equality is equality. It means treating people equally. You don't get progress and you don't get social justice by advancing the interests of one gender over the other or by ignoring the views of ordinary people. When you do, all you get is backlash from the great unwashed who have been ignored. That, in the end, is what this country will face as a result of this government's manifest failure to do the right thing by mothers, fathers and children in equal measure. John Howard had a unique opportunity. He had the support of the media. He had the support of the community. There was momentum towards reforming family law and child support and the introduction of a fair and equal system for everyone going through this rotten system. He blew it. He absolutely blew it. That's from Dads on the Air, the team, written in August 2007. That'll be up on our website, dadsontheair.net. The full text of that will be up on the web, and it's also available at the back of the room. Thank you so much.